everyone. In this Filmora mobile tutorial, we will explore the new feature called AI Image to Video. Filmora's AI Image to Video feature is your go-to buddy. It takes your images and smartly analyzes them, adding fun effects. With these lively effects, your images are transformed into eye-catching videos that are just perfect for sharing on social media. You can create fun videos and share them with your friends and family. If you are a content creator, you can use AI image to video templates or prompt options to make amazing videos and share them with your audience. You can also bring old images to life. Let's dive into today's tutorial. Before we begin, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of my upcoming videos. To start, launch the Filmora Mobile App. On the main interface, select Image to Video. A new screen will open, displaying a prompt writing box at the top. Alternatively, you can use templates. Click on More Templates to explore various options that harness the power of AI. Select the template you want to use, then click Generate. Choose your image again. The app will begin converting your image into a video and will display a preview for you to review. If you want to save it, click on Save to save it on your device. If you want to edit it further, click on Edit, and it will take you to the timeline. To use the prompt feature, first click on Upload to select your image. Next, enter your prompt in the writing box and click on Generate. In just a few minutes, the AI will convert your image into a video based on your prompt. Download or update your Filmora mobile app and start converting your image to video. See you in the next video.